This channel right here has gained over 4 million subscribers by posting car crash simulation style videos, and when you check its analytics, it has pulled in over 2.7 billion views from these videos without ever showing a face on camera. If we take a closer look at the shorts on this channel, this one has crossed 200 million views. This one sits at 182 million views. The next one has 149 million views. Another one has 82 million views, and the rest of these videos are also sitting in the millions, which is a clear signal that this niche is blowing up on YouTube right now. The wild part is that every single clip takes minutes to produce and costs nothing to make. No editing team, no film crew, no physical set, just a laptop and a method most people have never even heard of. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how this style of content is built, from the very first idea all the way to the final upload, and you will be able to start building your own version of it today. Without wasting a single second, let's dive into the tutorial. The entire process starts with one thing, and that is a chatbot that can follow detailed instructions. This could be DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or whichever one you already have access to. They all work fine for this. For this workflow, I will be using Claude AI since it works best for automation workflows like this one. What makes this workflow different is that you are not typing out ideas one by one and hoping the chatbot understands what you want. Instead, you paste in a single, detailed set of instructions one time, and from that moment on, the chatbot runs the entire process for you step by step. You do not have to waste time building this part yourself. I have already done the hard work for you and prepared this master prompt to automate the entire workflow. To get it, simply like this video, subscribe, and type car crash in the comments, and I will send it to you right away. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt, paste it inside Claude, and submit. The first thing this instruction set does is help you build a brand new channel identity, because starting with a name and a look that feels intentional makes a massive difference in how people perceive your content. Claude will hand you 10 channel name options built specifically for this destruction and simulation niche, each one with a short description of the vibe it gives off, and you simply pick the one that feels right. Impact Zone sounds great, and what you have to do is reply with the choice number or paste the channel name, and if you have another name in mind, type it in and submit. Once a name is chosen, it immediately moves to phase 2, which is the brand assets for your new channel. You get a channel description, 2 separate image prompts, one for your logo and one for your banner, and a keyword list ready to paste into your channel settings. Before we go further, understand that the part coming next is where the real views come from. So stay with me, because this next section is where most people mess this up if they try to do it without a clear system. I won't go into detail on how to create a brand new channel. I am sure you already know how, but to give you a hint, paste the logo prompt first and open a free image generator like Google Flow, which gives you access to Nano Banana Pro for free, and paste in the prompt, open settings, and choose the image option. Since it's a logo, set the aspect ratio to square, confirm the model selected is Nano Banana Pro, set the number of images per generation to more than 1 so you get more choices to pick from, and generate. While that's generating, return to Claude and copy the next prompt for the banner and paste it inside Google Flow. This time, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate. Google Flow allows you to submit up to 5 tasks at once, even on the free plan, so you won't waste time waiting in a queue. In a short moment, both the channel logo and banner will be ready. Pick the best one and download an upscaled version. When you create your brand new Faceless channel, this is where you upload the logo and the banner. Type the channel name here, and the channel description goes here. For the channel keywords, open the channel settings, select channel, then paste them here and save. And there you have it, a full brand new channel is ready. If you want a full detailed tutorial on how to create a Faceless channel from scratch, comment below and I will make it. Once branding is locked in, tell Claude that you are ready by typing next to start generating content for your new channel in this niche. And generate, it immediately gives you a menu of destruction categories to choose from for phase 3. Giant rotating hammer tests, hydraulic compression tests, extreme speed survival runs, rolling boulder challenges, collapsing bridge sequences, and several more formats that are proven to perform well in this niche. Pick one, for example giant rotating hammer tests, and hit send. Claude will then ask how you want your video structured, whether that is 3 connected 10-second clips for a 30-second comparison, 4 clips for a longer version, or a larger independent batch if you want more standalone content in one go. I am choosing option A for 3 connected 10-second clips and submitting. After you choose your format, 10 unique episode concepts for Phase 5 appear, things like a narrowing steel corridor, a 4-wall compression chamber, or a heavyweight truck against a spinning wrecking ball. Pick the one that sounds the most visually interesting. Let me pick this one, Last Car Standing, and send it. This is where Claude moves into Phase 6 and builds your entire production package in one response. For the episode overview, it gives you the episode title, the category, confirms the number of clips, the total duration, the full vehicle lineup, the location or setting, and the obstacle design, and it even decides the winner in advance, so the story stays consistent from clip to clip. Then it builds what is called a continuity Bible, which locks the road surface and environment, the lighting, the camera angle, the vehicle colors, and the exact way the obstacle behaves, so nothing looks glitchy or inconsistent between separate clips. Lastly, it hands you ready-to-use text-to-video prompts for each clip, ready to generate and stitch together later into a complete short ready to upload. You copy and paste that prompt directly into a video generation tool. I am copying this prompt up to here, since the last part of it is a settings guide. For video generation, we are using Google Flow again. All tools used in this entire workflow are completely free, and I have left all the links below. This time, set the mode to video. Choose 9:16 if you are making a short for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels, or 16:9 if you want a long-form upload. Keep your output count at 1 so you are not burning through credits. Select Omni Flash as the generation model, and set your duration to 10 seconds to match the prompt. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every day, and if you do the math, each clip costs 15 credits, which is 45 in total, meaning you are able to create one full free short for your channel every single day. Hit send and it starts generating, and you simply repeat the exact same process for clip 2 and clip 3 using the prompts Claude already wrote for you inside the same production package. That saves time by having all the videos generating at the same time. Within a minute, you will have fully rendered car crash clips that look like they came straight out of a physics simulation game. Let's take a look. For each clip, you have a different car in the same environment crashing into a rotating mechanical hammer and getting destroyed. The car gets destroyed, there is fire, fuel leaking, dynamic camera movement, matching sound effects, and across the 3 tests there is a winner, which is this third one with the least damage. If your first results already look convincing, that confirms the category works. Now download each clip in the highest resolution possible, and I will show you later how to stitch them together into a complete polished short ready to post. Now this is where it gets interesting, because the way I built this system, it is fully repeatable, so you do not need to start fresh each time. For example, you can type next clip to generate more in case you want a 40 or 60-second short for this exact episode. Type new episode for the next video in the same category, or new category to go back to Phase 3 and pick a new one. By doing this, you can produce up to 10 videos every single day without ever burning out. For example, I am going with Category 5 for a car barrier test, and submit. And as before, it produces a full episode package, a continuity Bible, and ready video prompts for each clip. Let me copy the first one, paste it inside Google Flow, and generate. Now we have a new version for our next YouTube short or Instagram reel, where the car moving at high speed crashes into a barrier in the middle of the road and gets destroyed. You can repeat this and create videos for the remaining clips to complete a full 30-second short. Alright, now let me quickly show you how to stitch these clips together into a full video for each episode. Once all your clips are downloaded, you drop them into CapCut or any editor you are comfortable with and drag them into the timeline. Then layer in vehicle name labels and a speed comparison graphic if you have the full details. These videos are actually easy to edit since they come with built-in audio. If you want, add a text overlay and type in your topic or episode name, then stretch it to match the video length. Add a text background, choose a good color, reduce the size, and position it at the top. If everything looks good, hit export, name it, and render in the highest resolution possible. From there, your video is ready to publish across every short-form platform at once. This entire system is what has quietly built multi-million subscriber channels without a single real camera ever being used. And now you have the exact blueprint to replicate it in your own style. Try a different category the next time you sit down, test a new vehicle matchup, and see which obstacle gets you the strongest reaction. If this walkthrough made the process click for you, drop a comment letting me know which destruction category you are building first, hit like so this reaches more people trying to figure this out, and subscribe so you do not miss the next breakdown.